Well, it's done it. The old case was pushing snow with it, and the exhaust started smelling expensive. So I have a sneaky suspicion that, judging by all that oil up there, that my turbocharger has quit. So I'm gonna open her up, get into it, and see what it tells me. Hoo-wee. Butter greasy. Jesus Murphy, look at all that oil in there. Just gross. To be continued. Well, there you have it. There's the new turbo. And you're probably wondering, James, that doesn't look the same as the turbo you took out. And you would be absolutely right. This one, no, the one I bought apparently doesn't have a wastegate on it. So, whatever, I guess no exhaust brake for the turbo. We'll try it out, see what happens. Only thing, I haven't fired it up yet. I've oiled the turbo, but I do want to drop the oil and put fresh oil in it, and I gotta replace a coolant line. So, of course, it's stupid exhaust isn't right. But if you look, see that big split on the back of that hose? Oh man, what a mess that would make if it went. So I'm gonna replace that tomorrow too before I fire up. Must say this fits a lot nicer. Yep. So I'll show you guys the old turbo. There she be. See if I can stick this magnetic light to my head somehow. It moves, just not great. And the amount of frickin' oil in there is insane. It's very, look at my big fingers. That ain't any goddamn better. But I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah. No good. I was a little concerned when I didn't find a whole pile of play. Then I look down here and I see, oh, well, at least it's dry. So I know it's the turbo that failed. But there you go. I'll add to the video tomorrow for fire up. All right, she's all primed up. Started once. See what happens. I'll give you an up close and personal view anyway. That sounded all right. I mean, I've heard them sound better, but it sounded all right for no exhaust on it. To be continued. And there you have it, folks. That's what it sounds like with the new turbo.